Hello viewers, welcome to our Sibina YouTube channel. On this channel I teach how to trade the financial market profitably. I also share tips and tricks on how to make money online. If this is your first time of visiting this channel, please subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section below. Let's get started, guys. Alright guys, so I want you guys to pay close attention. By the way, I'm actually using a platform. This is not TradingView, as you can see right here, and I want you to go to the, just check the link on the description of this video. You are going to find a link so that you can register. Make sure you register through my link. I will really do appreciate that, right? Thank you, because this platform is actually, you use it for free, and you can use all these premium features on TradingView on this particular platform, guys. So that's the reason why you should use this platform, right? So very quickly, guys, I'll be taking you guys through this strategy, and this strategy is very simple, and personally for me, I think it's going to be life transforming for you. That's what I believe, right? So it's going to be life transforming for you. So the first thing you need to do for this strategy, right, as I've stated here already, mark out the last swing high or low before 8 p.m. Now the 8 p.m. we are talking about is New York time zone, right? So I want you to change your time zone right here, change it to New York time zone, right? So 8 p.m. New York time, right? So the second thing you should do is wait for a sweep of either the high or low, right, of that outlined swing highs or swing low that you outlined right on this point one. And then the third thing you should do is look for a market structure shift on the lower time frame, and the time frame we are going to be using is 1 minute time frame for this strategy, guys. So this strategy, I want you to pay close attention and just do everything as I said, as I'm saying, right? So pay close attention to it, right? So that's it, guys. So this is how it looks like, right? So you look for, sorry guys, so you look for a high. Normally you see this is how price moves, right? So there is a swing high here and there is a swing low. Now what you need to do, this you should outline this, do this before 8 p.m. New York time. 8 p.m. is actually an open of Asia section, right? So for Nigeria time zone is actually 1 a.m. right? So you click on this, you outline this, and before 8 p.m. right? So immediately after that 8 p.m. right, or 8 p.m. you start waiting for a sweep, either of them, either this low or this high. So immediately you see you get a sweep, let's say a price sweeps here. So what you should do next is just go to your 1 minute time frame and look for a market structure shift, right? Something like this, a pattern like this, and then you get, so this is what you should be looking for, right? So let me come again. So go to 15 minutes time frame is where you should look for, where you should align this swing highs and swing lows, right? So on the 15 minutes time frame, so go to your 15 minutes time frame, outline this, your last swing highs and your last swing lows, right? So outline it before 8 p.m. New York time, and then immediately 8 p.m. it's 8 p.m. wait for a sweep of either the high or the low. So after the sweep of the high or the low, wait for a market structure shift on the 1 minute time frame, something like this, and then a sweep, and then you see price will expand lower. Alright guys, so that is it. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to take you guys through, I'm going to show you guys example on the chart, right? So I'm not going to look far, right? I'm not going to even go to select a random day. We are just going to check out the previous, okay, today is Wednesday, right? So let's just check 3 days, the past 3 trading days, which is on Friday, Monday and Tuesday, right? So let's just check these days and see how this strategy worked for these 3 days, and then from there we'll know if this is something that is worth investing our time on. So the first step is to go to the 15 minutes time frame. So on your 15 minutes time frame, alright guys, on the 15 minutes time frame, go to 8, I told you guys already, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. you see your time will be what? 20. 8 p.m. you see 20 here, so that's actually 8 p.m. New York time zone. So no, that's for the last, that's for night. So let's start from on Tuesday. So 8 p.m. Alright, so this is the first one here. So I think let me just cut it. Alright guys, so this is it guys. So this is this time here, this is right now, time is what? 7:45, right? p.m. New York time. So what should we do? We should outline this is swing high, sorry, swing low, and then this there's no swing high yet, but this is the last swing high, though that one is not important. But let's see if this 8 p.m. candle will give us a swing high, right? So let's play. Let me reduce this and play. All right, so let me remove this. So now we have a swing high here. So what we should do is wait for this swing high to be swept, right? So now let's go to our 1 minute time frame. Right, this is our swing high, this is our swing low. Remember, this swing high we outlined it where? On the 15 minutes time frame, right? So what you should do next is for you to, since it's already 8 p.m. so the thing is, you this pattern you only look for it between 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. right, New York time zone, right? So that's it guys. So let's wait for a sweep, right? After we get a sweep, and then we'll look for entries. So let's play price now guys. Alright, we have a sweep, right? So after getting a sweep, the next thing we should watch out for is for a shift of market structure. Now price has shifted structure now, right? So what we should do next is we'll look for entries, but as we can see right here, price did not even give us any entry. It has not given us any entry, and then we are coming already to sweep out the low. But if we see price sweeps this low before giving us entry, we would rather take this low instead, right? So that's what we are going to do. Let's play price. Alright, so right now price has swept this low. Price has swept this low. Remember, this low we outlined it where? During on the 15 minutes time frame. So price has swept it. So what should we wait for next? We wait for a market structure shift on the 1 minute time frame. The same thing we saw there, we are waiting for the same thing to repeat itself here guys. Now okay, we don't have it yet, well, let's see. Alright, we have a market structure shift. Now this is our market structure shift. That means a swing high has been violated, right? So this is the swing high that has been violated. If you don't know about swing high, make sure you join, just go check my channel. You are going to get a video to learn much more about forex, right? The basics. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my entries from here, from this particular point, right? It means that I'm supposed to be on this trade. This candle is supposed to take me in, and then my stop loss will just be a little bit below. I'll just make it 10 pips here. Yeah, 10 pips because it's on gold. So the reason why I'm making it 10 pips is because there are spreads. Because of spreads, remember we are using the 1 minute time frame, right? So basically we are just scalping. So if you are someone that is trading a pro firm account, because of spread, you should be able to give it a little space, right? That's it guys. So let's take this. So that's my low, and then my target will be, as a trader personally, I love targeting 1:3, so I don't target less than that. So let me quickly play price and see how it goes. Boom. So we have hit take profit, right? So if you are someone that even targets, let's say 1:5, 1:6, let's see if it will hit like 1:5. You can see 1:5 hit. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. This strategy really works a lot. So let's move on to the on Tuesday. Remember, this is this is Tuesday. We just tested. Let's check out on Monday how on Monday's on played out. So I'll just select bar here and replay price. Alright, so now I want you guys to pay close attention, right? Please pay close attention. So now that it's, look at it, this swing low on the 15-minute time frame, look at it here, and then we have a swing high here. So don't forget what I told you guys. I said we always wait for either of them to be swept. You don't need daily directional bias for this strategy. You don't need any other thing. If you understand and you normally get your daily directional bias correctly, believe me, it's going to increase the win rate. That is the truth, right? It's going to increase the win rate. But basically, you don't need it. So now that this is 7:45, and I will wait for price to sweep it. So let me reduce this, and then let's just wait for, okay, let's go to the 1 minute time frame and wait for a sweep on the 1 minute time frame, guys. So we have this is this low. Pay attention, right, guys? High. So we are waiting for price to sweep either of them. Let me delete this. So let's play price and wait for price to sweep either of them. Great. So we have a sweep, guys. We have a sweep. That is the first thing. We have a sweep, right? So, and we have a swing high on the 1 minute time frame. This is our swing high. Let's outline our swing high, and then let's wait for price to violate this swing high. Once price violates this swing high, remember this is on the 1 minute time frame, we take our entry, right? Price has violated this candle. Now it has violated this swing high. My entry will be here, and my stop loss will be just a little bit below this low. Remember what I told you, guys. So my target will be what? 1:3. This is enough for me. So I'll play price and let's see how it goes. Wonderful. Wow. So we smashed TP, guys, again on Tuesday. You can see how this strategy works. You really don't need to stress yourself. So let's quickly go and check out on which day. So you can see on Monday worked out. Let's just take a look at the last one, the last example on the 5th. So let's on the 5th, which is on Friday, guys, on Friday. 20. Not here. Right, 20 here. Yeah, we got it, guys. So what you should do right now, right? So let's quickly cut it. Right, I don't want this video to be longer than 60 minutes. Let's see. So I've cut it. What we should do next is that After cutting it, we have price here, and let's just play it a bit so that it will be all right, exactly the time. All right, great. So now what we should do is outline this last swing high. This is the last swing high and last swing low, and then I think this is the last swing high. This is, I think, 8 a.m. so 8 p.m. candle. So we'll wait for price to sweep either of them right now. If price sweeps the low, we take a buy. If price sweeps the high, we take a sell, guys. So let's go to the 1 minute time frame. On the 1 minute time frame, the only thing we are watching out for, we are watching out for price to sweep either here or here. So if price sweeps this low, we are taking a buy. You guys already know that already. So let's quickly play price. Let me just increase it a bit. Right, we get a sweep. So price has swept it. So and price has swept it. Don't forget 3 candle formation. This is the last swing high. So that's the last swing, the swing high there. Price has taken out the swing high. So the next thing we should do is, if you notice, I'll be taking my entries on where? I'll be taking my entries on other blocks. If you want to take your entries at the other blocks, that's fine. But if you want to take your entries at fair value gaps, that's fine. But let's just keep it simple. Let's take our entry on the other block. You can actually as well take it at the fair value gap. It's best to actually take it at the fair value gap, because sometimes price might not reach out to the other block anymore, right? So but let's take it at the other block, and then our stop loss there, and target 1:3. We'll be patient for price to come to our level. Let's see if it goes in our favor, guys. So I'll quickly play price and see how it goes, guys. Price tags out in. We are in now, guys. Be patient. Be patient. I already told you guys. Patience is the key. Be patient. Okay. Price coming back. My God. All right, we finally hit take profit. This trade took a long time, but then you can see, guys. So this is, I've showed you guys on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday trade, right? So I want you, what you should do right now, go on back test, and also forward test, right? Make sure you drop your whatever the result of your back testing on the comments, on the comment section, right? So drop the result, and also I want you, if this strategy works for you, please just share your testimony, right, with me. Thank you very much, guys. God bless you.